Okay guys, are you ready to see the things I've ordered from Mackenzie Child? Now, I want to preface this by saying this is not something that I have, okay, I'm going to order some stuff from Mackenzie Child and get it all at once. No, not by a long shot. This is 2 years, okay? 2 years, and I'm just now showing you because I wanted to collect the things. So far, there's a couple more things I want to get, but it takes time, you know, and I make payments because I get it on Shop HQ. A couple things I got from the actual Mackenzie Child, but, you know, I mean, to pay them off, for me anyway, I just can't go out and just buy it at once. So the very first thing I ever got, and like I told you guys, this is what a lot of people get when they're just starting because it is so inexpensive. It was $58 for the cookie jar. And I like the traditional courtly check. It comes in different, it comes in floral, it comes in the royal check, which is the blue. It comes in like a parchment color. I myself like the black and cream, okay? So then I got these 2 salt and pepper shakers, okay? Now what I got isn't a lot, but keep in mind it took me 2 years. I'm showing you 2 years. I have not opened this, okay? Because this summer I am going to put all this into my kitchen, and I got a rug, and this rug I got through, oh shoot, My Wish, I think that's the name of it, My Wish or something. Anyway, it is like a knockoff, but it's very affordable because I could not afford a rug from Mackenzie Child. I mean, they are in the thousands. So I pick and choose the things that are the most affordable for me. The other thing is I got the spoon rest. And I think you guys, most of you saw my black and white plates that I got from Proline from Amazon, and those are a knockoff, but they look good with Mackenzie Child. So here's the spoon rest. See, it's still in the box. Those were in the box, I just took those out. Then I ordered them from Shop HQ because you can make payments. And they really pack this stuff, I'll tell you. It was a mistake, and I kept debating whether to go back and just send it back or just keep it and get a couple mugs of the courtly check. What it was supposed to be, this is all of their flower market, okay? What it was supposed to be, it was supposed to be 2 of these, the courtly check. Well, I didn't get that. I got the flower market, which I love this one. If I was to ever get anything else to mix, it would be this, okay? And this green one's pretty, and the black, and then the blue. I'm not a real fan of blue, I never have been, so I would not have picked that personally, but I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna keep it, and like I said, I'll get a couple of the courtly check in this same shape, the black and white, and put it on my mug tree. But it'll be pretty in my formal, on my hutch, these. So I kept them. But I did keep going back and forth if I was going to or not, but I ended up, it's such a hassle to return it, you know? It's like, oh, forget it. I mean, if it was a huge amount of money, then I would have. But anyway, I got those. Well, I might as well take them out, huh? Then I like to keep this for when I'm packing stuff. I don't remember what this is, you guys. Because I thought, you know what? I'm not going to show them a little piece at a time. I'm going to wait until I get the majority of things I know I'm going to get. And then the rest I make, or like I said, I got from that Proline, and that's in my Amazon store. If you go onto that to show you what I got and where you can buy it. Oh, I remember what this is now. Okay. And I got this colander, and I'm not going to use it. I'm going to put faux vegetables in it and put it out. Then the other thing that I got, and this is what a lot of, is the tea kettle. I really like this cracking bubble they use. Opened it up upside down, figured excited for this. And they have it in two sizes. I got the big one because to me, it was only, I think, $25 more. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go for the big one. And again, it is all of the Courtly check. That's what it looks like. I really, really like this. And then there's one more thing I want to show you. The last thing I got was this picture. And this, whatever pieces I get, I always think how they can be used in different ways so you get your money's worth when you're decorating with them. Meaning, now the tea kettle, of course, will be on my stove, and that just really is a pretty statement if you like Mackenzie Child. The colander, like I said, and this is the small one, they have a bigger one. I will put some faux vegetables in this. This you can use for flowers. You can put flowers in it. You can put just greenery in it. You can use it for a decor piece as a base, if you will, for your faux flowers. So that's why I bought that. Now, I want to show you one of these plates again to show you. I can't get one of the plates there. I'd have to move a lot of stuff, so I'm just going to get this to show you. Okay, so this is the Proline, okay, and this is from Amazon. When you put this with the real Mackenzie Child, it goes very, very well. And this is what I was saying, to get things that get a few pieces of the Mackenzie Child, okay? And then look around to find things that will complement this. And then when you make things, okay, all right, for instance, look. Okay, here's an example of the candles I got from Hobby Lobby. You pair this with the Proline, the Real Mackenzie Child. It all goes together. It all goes together. So you don't have to spend a fortune. You don't have to buy everything Mackenzie Child. Just get a couple things if you really, really like it. Ask for your birthday, ask for Christmas, whatever. Like I said, 2 years, and I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 different orders in 2 years, okay? Or 8, the cookie jar. And now I'm just opening them to show you, because like I said, I'm gonna bring out everything, to decorate my kitchen, and you'll see how I put everything. And then I'll also show you the rug at that time because it's rolled up right now. But then also, if you want to Okay, and then I want to show you just a couple things that I made, again, that will go. Okay, remember the photos that I made, not the photos, remember the frames that I made, okay? And I made one with my daughter, myself, and my granddaughter. You put that with any of this. It's going to go, guys. It's going to go. I'm telling you. Then, for any of you that follow me, you know that I decoupaged on the Mackenzie Child napkins, okay? And down here's the little courtly check. You put that with it, and here's another one. Making things yourself using tissue paper from Mackenzie Child. Painting things, with the courtly check if you're good at that. Here's one of the, hold on. Here's one of the cake stands I made. I painted it because with Mackenzie Child, they do have the polka dots as well. And so I took a Dollar Tree plate, painted, well, first I put the white dots with the dauber, okay? And then I came in and painted the back of it, and I have a video on this. I took one of the Dollar Tree plastic bowls, painted it black, and just put the white stripes. That is going to go along with your Mackenzie Child. I'll bring you down and just kind of show you so you can get a little closer to it. My point being, if you like Mackenzie Child, if you want to get a few things that are Mackenzie Child fine, you don't even have to do that. You can make these things. It's up to you. But you don't have to break the bank and get all Mackenzie Child if you really, really like it. The other thing I did, if you remember, is I made lampshades out of paper from Hobby Lobby, and you just put it on a wine glass and with a tea light. It all goes. So for my Mackenzie Child lovers, I wanted to show you and share with you what I got, and to encourage you to go ahead and make things as well as buying things that you know will go with it. And the nice thing about Mackenzie Child You can put anything with it, like you saw my lemon plates. Any kind of plate. In fall, autumn plates would go beautiful. Christmas plates would go beautiful. You can mix and match a lot of different things with the Mackenzie Child. So now I'm going to bring you down and show you a little bit closer.